My moot court experience has stayed with me since I've left the law school. And I think that's for two reasons. One is it really taught me what it was to be a litigator and what it meant to be an advocate and the difference between the two. So my moot court partner was Kim Zev, and we were arguing whether the Virginia Military Academy should be forced to admit women. And we were arguing for the plaintiffs in that case. And I just remember feeling, as we were preparing, that time and space had no meaning. Our entire lives, what we were living and breathing, were these issues, and we knew every nook and cranny of them. And that feeling of being in that place where you're so completely absorbed in your work in an issue just lit me up inside and made me understand that, you know, litigation was what I wanted to do. And I remember when oral argument was over, turning around and looking at Kim and then seeing Professor Strauss in the audience and saying to him, did we do them justice? That was really my only concern walking out of the oral argument was, did we give voice to the experiences of these plaintiffs? And did we do the best we could to advocate on their behalf? I just remember feeling as if the weight of the plaintiffs' expectations and the weight of their right to be in the world depended on that moment. And of course, it wasn't a real argument. And yet that's how deep it was in us and how seriously we took it, that it felt like the case actually depended on what happened there. And I loved that feeling, and I realized then that whatever community I was serving when I left the law school, it was that feeling I wanted to hold on to as a lawyer.